Hi everyone, welcome all of you for the new chapter. Now the chapter is mathematical reasoning. Now what we are going to cover in this chapter? First of all, the contents are introduction, a brief introduction about the chapter. Then mathematically acceptable statements. Now what this means? This means that statements which you have already aware, which you have already done in the junior classes. We are just going to do that statements with mathematics. Okay. Now connecting words oblique phrases. Same thing you will just be thinking the sir has written something related to mathematics or with English. Okay. Then consolidating the understanding of if and only if. Now these words are going to be understood in terms of mathematics. Okay. So if and only if implies and oblique or, where we are going to use and or, implied by, then separate and, separate or, there exists. Now all these words related to real life and mathematical with the suitable examples. I am just going to give you number of examples related with the real life problems. Okay. And then validating the statements involving the connecting words. The statement is valid or not. And the last is difference between contradiction, converse and contrapositive. So these are the things, a very nice and interesting chapter which we are going to do related a little bit with English and mainly with mathematics.